How to change a weed trimmer head. Replacing the worn-out head of a weed trimmer is a simple process and is easier on your budget than buying a new weed trimmer. Things you will need: ratchet, replacement weed trimmer head. Flip over the head of the weed trimmer and remove the spool of line. Push down on the spool, twist it off. Ratchet the bolt free of the head and remove the head from the weed trimmer. Place the new head on the trimmer. Ratchet the bolt back into place. Push and twist the line of spool back into place.